guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming an unboxing video for you, and please excuse my appearance. I was actually really not planning to film today. I have a bunch of other work I was planning to do, some Poshmark stuff, and I've been running errands all morning. But this package came and I didn't want to wait to open it, and I was planning to film it for you guys. That's one of the reasons I bought it. So we're just gonna go with it. And Amelia's sitting here. She's teething right now, so she's like drooling a lot and eating my arm. But say hi, Amelia. Say hi. She's so funny. All right, so she's gonna hang out with me while we open this. So what we are unboxing today, this is a Thredup reject box. Is that what they call them now? I can't remember. No, it's a rescue box. Thredup rescue box. So I have done some of these boxes in the past. I've done the really big shoe box. That one, I think I bought 50 pairs of shoes. And then I also have done the DIY denim box multiple times. I wanna say I've bought like maybe 4 or 5 of those boxes. That's my favorite box that I've tried. Because actually, even though it's supposed to be DIY denim, which, you know, they say it's stuff that's gonna be damaged that you can use for projects and stuff, most of the time this stuff is not damaged. So I really like that box. I've done that quite a few times. I have done a purse box, which I probably won't ever do again because mine was horrible. And is that it? I think that's all I've done so far. I've been trying to get my hands on the DIY designer box, but I miss it every time. I swear I'm on their website daily and somehow I missed the last one and I'm so bummed. So if you guys buy these boxes, if you're on their site a lot, if you ever see the designer box, please tag me on Instagram or tag me somewhere. Let me know because I really, really want to try one of those boxes. Anyway, this box here, the one that I have here, is called the Fun Box. So I can't remember the cost. I had some credits that I used from some stuff that I sent into them. Some of my kids' clothes that they had outgrown, because I can't for the life of me sell kids' clothes on Poshmark. It just doesn't sell. So anyway, I sent in some of my kids' clothes and I had a little bit of a credit, so I can't remember exactly what this box was. I'll put the information about it down below. I don't remember how many items. I don't remember any of it. I probably should have paid closer attention. I can tell you though that this came super fast. I want to say I ordered it middle of last week and I've already got it, so it's been maybe a week at the most. So yeah, let's open it up. Okay, this box seems like the biggest mystery of all because they don't really tell you what you're gonna get, and I have seen some unboxings on this and it seems like it's very random every time. Okay, so let's see if it says on here what we're getting. Yeah, so it says it was $22 for the Fun Box with 10 items. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, right on top I see a Christmas scarf. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so there is a scarf right on top and it has just like this green polka dot pattern on this side, and on this side it's white with the green polka dots and it has these cute little reindeers. I think that is so cute. Oh, and snowflakes at the bottom. That is so adorable. So probably could not resell this because I don't see any brand tags or anything, but I don't know, maybe. All right, so I actually wasn't thinking that I would be able to resell most of the stuff in this box. It was mostly the reason I ordered it was just because it's fun and also because I thought I could share it with you guys, but I'm hoping to get at least 1 or 2 things from this box that I can resell so I can at least make a little bit of my money back. So, okay, next I see a Coach wallet. So that's interesting that there's a Coach wallet in here because I know they have like an actual Coach rescue box for just Coach wallets and stuff. So I wonder if this isn't real. Let me see. I'm looking through it. It's just a standard like brown with the Coach. Yeah, this is definitely not real. There's no tags inside of it that have anything that says Coach. Oh wait, here. Made in China. There's a little made in China tag. But I don't see any authentication anywhere inside of it. It does say Coach on the hardware, but I don't think you guys can see it. It's super scratched up. It does, I mean, it feels kind of flimsy. The fabric on this side is all like worn out. Right here. I don't know. I don't think it's real. I don't think I can resell this because I really don't think it's authentic. And it's not in great condition anyway. Even if it was authentic, it's not in great condition, but I'm pretty sure it's not real. So, okay, well, that's probably why it wasn't in the Coach box, because it's not a real Coach. Okay, we got a strap. I thought it was a belt at first, but it's a purse strap without the purse. Oh, it's a Coach strap. It does have Coach on here. So I don't know, maybe I could sell this to someone who has a matching purse that needs a strap, but it's a very unique color. It's kind of an orangey red. I don't know. If you need this strap, let me know. That is weird. Okay, that's 3 items so far. I mean, they call it a fun box. They don't give you any expectation of what you're gonna get. Oh, I'm actually excited these are in here. So there's a pair of slipper socks, and they're new with tags from Mix It. I've seen this brand somewhere before, but I can't remember. Is it Target? I can't remember. Anyways, it's a slipper sock. They look really cozy. I would totally keep these for myself, except just this morning, Alexa told me that her class is doing a sock drive. Like they're trying to get socks for a local charity, and they have to be new with tags, and we were gonna run to the store, but now I don't have to. So yeah, I'm actually really excited that was in there. Okay, what's next? Oh, whoa, okay. So there's a little jewelry bag, and it's like a brown and white stripe, and it says Harry Bendel on it. I'm sorry, Henry Bendel. If this is really Henry Bendel, that would be exciting, because I'm pretty sure that's a very expensive brand. Oh my goodness. So it's a keychain, and it's a lipstick. Okay, so is it focusing? It's hard to see. Anyway, it's like a keychain lipstick, like a bullet lipstick, and then it has like rhinestones all over it. I'm assuming those are just rhinestones. And then it does have a Harry Bendel New York little tag on it. So it is real. I mean, it is from Harry Bendel, so I have to look this up and find out more about it. But that's actually I'm actually excited about that. I think that's actually really cool. This is something I think I can resell. I don't know how much I'll get for it. I don't know much about that brand. I do know it's a high-end brand, but that's all I know. So we'll find out. All right, next, more jewelry. This is actually a watch. Let me get it out of this little bag here. Oh my goodness, this is teeny tiny. I don't know how this would fit anybody's wrist. It might fit my daughter, my youngest daughter. She would love this. I'm trying to see if there's any markings on it. It says stainless steel case back. It doesn't have like a brand name anywhere that I can see. I can't see any brand name, but this is that really small watch. So let me see if I can show you close up. So the watch itself, the faceplate, I don't see any sort of brand name or anything. It does have kind of that like opal kind of look to it. It looks like it's pretty nice. And then it has a really small wristband. It looks like someone adjusted it to be for a child or for a very small wrist because it's tiny. I think my 7-year-old, she's 7 now. I almost forgot, she turned 7. Anyway, I think she would really like this. I'll tell her it's like fancy and she'll be so excited, but I don't see any markings on it anywhere. So I don't think it's anything to note, but all right, I'm sure my daughter will love it though. Okay, next we have a belt. Is this a belt? Yes, it is, I think. Yeah, it looks like a belt. It has a new tag on it. It says Sonita George belt, and it says it's $59. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know what the brand is. Is Sonita the brand? Oh, here we go. It says Vera Pell, made in Italy. That sounds nice. Is it missing a piece? No, that's right. So it has like these two little, I don't know what you call those, two little things that you push through the holes, and then it just has the little strap. Good thing I know the terms for this. Anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about. It has these little knobs, goes into the holes. Whoop. And then, yeah, I think it's cute. It's like a beige and green. And that's actually something I could resell too. There's actually quite a few things in here I can resell. Oh yay, more socks. Lexi's gonna be so excited. These are Christmas socks. I actually think that they did pretty good as far as like, you know, giving me things that are seasonally appropriate, because these are Christmas socks. The other socks were nice fuzzy socks for this time of year, and then the Christmas scarf. But anyways, these have little reindeers on them. Again, it is new with tags. It doesn't look like it's like anything special as far as brand, but this will be going to the sock drive at my daughter's school as well. All right, next up we have a phone case. I'm not good at being able to tell what size phone, but I think this is meant for a larger phone because I have an iPhone 8 and it's the bigger size. Anyway, it says on it, Save the Whales Coalition, and then it says Pella. So I don't think I'll get any use out of this because I don't have this size of phone, nor does anyone in my household. So this will probably just be redonated. Okay, and then the last thing we have is a little wristlet, and it does have a new with tags. It doesn't have any brand names on it, but it does say it was $3.95. So obviously it's not anything special, but it is pretty. It's just like it's H&M. Okay, so it's just like a pale pink, and it's got like the laser cut polka dots in it. It's actually pretty cute. Either I will use this or one of my daughters might want it. I'll see if anybody is interested in it. But yeah, it's new with tags, so that's good. Okay, so that's everything. So let's count it, make sure we got 10 items, and then I'll just real quick recap with you guys. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. So yes, there were 10 items. So I'm obviously the most excited about this Henry Bendel keychain. I need to look it up and find out the value on this guy because I think that I could probably maybe make what I spent on the box back, because I think after my credits, I want to say I spent like $15. Okay. I'm also excited about the new with tags belt. It was a retail of $60, so I could probably sell this for around 15 to 20. And I probably will go ahead and try to resell it. Things that I'm gonna donate for sure is the fake Coach. I can't sell that. I'm also gonna donate this iPhone case because it does not fit any of our phones, or maybe it's a Samsung case. I don't really know how to tell. Those are gonna be donated. The socks, both pairs of socks are gonna be going to the sock drive, so that's exciting. That'll be helping out a local charity. And then these 2 items are going to be going to my children most likely. So we have the little wristlet, and then we have the little watch for Lexi. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this scarf yet. I think it's really cute, so we might just keep it. Otherwise, I might just throw it up in my store and see if someone wants it as like an add-on. I probably couldn't sell it for more than $10 to $15. Oh, it does have a tag on it. I didn't see that originally. So it says it's from the brand Softer Than Cashmere. D&Y, super soft, 100% acrylic. I don't know if that's anything, but I'll look it up. All right, and then the last thing that I'm kind of confused about is the random purse strap, which is a Coach purse strap. So I might just throw this up on eBay. I did recently start an eBay store. I guess it's not a store, I just started listing on eBay. I don't have a store yet. But I might just throw this up there. Maybe someone has a purse this color and they need a new strap because the strap is actually in excellent condition. It looks brand new. So maybe someone needs to replace the strap on their purse. So I might just throw it up there for a few dollars and see if anybody wants it, just so it doesn't go to a landfill. All right, so that is everything that was in my box. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I think this was better than I was expecting. I was honestly expecting like a bunch of like toys or random like garbagey things. I've seen some of these unboxings for the fun box that are pretty bad, so I did not have high hopes, but I'm actually very happy with what I got. So I'd love to hear your guys' comments down below. What do you think of my box? Do you think it was good? Yeah, just give me your thoughts down below. I'm definitely gonna be doing more of these unboxings because I love unboxing things. I love doing subscription unboxings, and I love doing things like this where it's like a mystery box. So if you have any requests for different Thredup boxes that you wanna see me unbox, I was looking through what they had available, and there were some other ones I was intrigued by. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on that as well. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Let me get Amelia so you can say goodbye to her too. Say goodbye to everybody. So thank you for stopping by and spending some time with us. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.